Why should we hire you? You should hire me because my skills, qualities, and experience are an excellent match for the job description. This means I can come into your team, have an immediate and positive impact, and you won't have to spend your time closely supervising or monitoring me. You should also hire me because I have a proven track record of success in similar roles, and I am confident I can bring that same performance to your company. Finally, the fact I will be a positive role model for the business brand and my eagerness to learn and grow will make me a valuable asset to your company for many years to come.